Little golf. Pull up to Lesage. A ver qué onda, a ver si andan aquí los camaradas. What I'm rocking with. Okay. A little dirty from last time. P790s. See. Little spider pudding. What's up, guys?
Hey, bud.
Here with, I think it's gonna be 4 of us.
Okay.
Yeah, with the cart, so we could finish it faster.
Well, if you take a cart, I'm gonna stay out of the mud, huh?
Yeah, we did New Year's Day.
Did you?
Al was here, and
Oh,
yeah, he told us, he gave us the runaround.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
You just paying for yourself?
Yeah, it'll be me, and I'll pay for a cart.
Okay. Out of 40. Seven is your change.
How's the football games going?
We just turned them on.
Oh, you just turned them on? Oh yeah,
Can you give me your four golfers first?
It's gonna be Juan, Jose, Roger.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate that. The Lamborghini. Just grab the Lambo. And let's go trade a shoe. What's up? Competitor number 1, competitor number 2, and competitor number 3. Here we go. Hey, who's gonna go first? You go first, Jonesy. Yeah, you go first, dog. What?
You see that little peak?
Alright, this is your guys' chance to break 30, bro.
What? $10 each? 10 bucks each?
10 bucks each. We're playing solos.
Solos, 10 bucks each?
Let's make the rules now. 1 mulligan, and if it doesn't go past the red, what? We just hit it again?
Re-tee, yeah.
Re-tee.
Alright, bet. Say no more. Gotta get the tees and shit ready. Tight shit, tight shit. Wish-a-taki.
You heard that?
Yeah. Get it from the back.
Hey, yo.
A POV.
Hey,
Pause.
hey, these are no regular lows, okay? Mira. Shout out my girl.
I got the regular calories.
How you doing? You got some nice ones. No?
The waterproof ones, at least. Roger's over there with his dogs out.
Serio, Hodge?
Set up my little tea real quick. I got this. I got this.
Oh, fuck.
Bruh.
I shanked it. This was been here for like 30 minutes warming up. Trying to break 30.
Roger ain't got that.
Fuck. I think that might be on the greener
Pass it.
past it.
Damn, let's smack that shit.
You smacked it. Where was that?
Damn. You hit a good one.
Yeah, yeah, good one. Huh?
You hit a solid.
Yeah, no, too hard though.
Way too hard. Go Jersey Licious.
We're using a little right here. I'm gonna try to sting this motherfucker.
Spin it.
Hey, spin.
Wow.
This is how the day's starting, alright? Third shot right here. No way, bro. Oh, fucking bullshit.
Hey, you're on hole 2, dog.
See if I can get this little shot off real quick.
Little tailor-made spider. Shout out my brothers for my birthday. They got it for me.
Special guest.
Special guest was handed.
Oh, special guest, Mars. Cracking. Can you jump in with us or
I'll
what?
do it. And not for one hole.
For a little bogey, real quick.
P7. Oh, piece of shit.
What are we stopping at? Just tell it.
Here. Go Roger for 17.
5, dog. What do you
Oh.
mean 17, dog?
Not bad.
What?
My 5th one.
Fifth? That's gonna be my sixth, bro.
Damn.
6.
Move that
That's a gimme,
motherfucker.
fool.
Move that flag, fool. 'It's so fucking
7.
Terrible.
Terrible. Oh shoot, on our way to hole 2 real quick. We got a special guest, Mario, in the cut.
This is for the capture of the president of Venezuela right here. Oh,
Oh, fuck.
yeah, good one, and then I had a bad one.
Hey, fool, did it pass the red or not?
Who's? Nah, what's over there?
No, it's like lined up.
It's lined up. Not up there.
Oh my god. Why you keep doing that, Roger?
Roger, are you taking a molly or what?
Didn't pass the red, dog. Stupid ass roll we made in the beginning.
Fuck, Mars? Did it?
You like making fun of people, bro? Let's see your shot. Let's see your shot, Josie. Huh, let's see his shot. Fucking like making fun of people. Roger lining up again. Put on a part 3. All right.
And he sliced it in the water. Nice.
No, it's
The water.
Just take a draw, like move it out.
You have to shoot out the
Oh
water.
yeah, play it out the water, bro. Your shoes,
we're playing where it lies?
your shoes are waterproof. Your shoes are waterproof, dog.
They
Shoot from
did
the
that
water.
shit to me last time, so no, we have to play where it lies.
I didn't do it, dude. That was Tamara.
Hey, I had to shoot out the water, but I shot out the water.
There's a lot of clouds coming through right now.
I don't care. Oh, no. I'll keep it up.
Two balls right there. Hey, that's submerged, bruh.
Nah. Don't matter, dog.
That's illegal fuck right there, dude. They don't even do that in PGA.
They're not submerged, but I can still see them.
Fool! Fully under fucking water.
Nah, it's visible. I'm not buying you no more shoes. Oh.
Play where it lies. I'm gonna put it on this side. Hold on. Right there. Oh,
Back into the water. You're a little too far.
Dude, I'm gonna. Good thing these shoes are waterproof, cuz. Look at this. Sheesh.
You're right. Okay, boy, at the beginning.
Bro, bogey shot right here.
The logs,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. I was like, I was like, fuck.
No. Double bogey.
Say believe in yourself, dog.
Like that.
This is my double bogey right here, pa.
That was for hole in one right there.
Let's get another triple right now.
No, this is double right here, fool.
I know, but you're gonna end up with another
Shut
triple.
up, dog. You're already giving me bad air.
Give this nigga a 12.
I'm about to take a 7 if I don't make it right now, dog. 7.
Evan.
It's because I don't have enough drink in me.
Alright, bro.
I do catch up with my girl.
Oh yeah, you gonna go have breakfast or what? We're off to hole 3.
I'm in the lead by
Let me
one.
see what I'm at right now, dog. This is terrible. 14.
You're down by 4 on me.
You got too far.
You use your mully? Little mulligan action? Here we go. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Oh, who's shooting from the red now?
Oh shit.
My
My bad.
What the fuck? You seen that, huh?
Trying to cheat.
All these raindrops is falling.
Oh shit, dude. Fuck
We're
it.
still playing.
We're still playing. We paid for
I
this
already
shit.
paid, so
I
too
paid
late.
for 9. I'm playing 9. I don't give a fuck.
So I bought a hoodie for the same reason.
To the water.
No.
Oh,
Better made it
right
over.
over.
Good. I'm gonna hit it in no water today.
Okay. Oh,
Stop, stop.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'll hit it out of there. I'm gonna do some bush diving right now.
I'm gonna hit it out of shit. Oh shit.
Let's go, Roger. You gotta hit at least a good one. Oh shit. Let's go right here. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Nah, that should be good. Yeah, huh? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good right here. You gotta go slow. The fucking water.
Tama.
Hey, clear the lines, fool. I just got out of the water. Clear the lines. Don't pull no Brent. You can't pull no Brent, fool. Clear the lines.
Check your head right there. Check this out now. This is my third.
Serio? Okay.
Roger's like 7th right here?
What?
Roger, what is this? Double bogey? What the fuck was that? Roger's fifth. Finish it off, pa. This is six. Boom. Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
Piece of shit.
4.
5.
Let's go.
Fun fact about Roger Dad. He doesn't like using tees.
I'm like Dot King, bro.
There you go.
Dot King. Fucking no tees for what? Why need a tee if I'm gonna do that with the teeth I'm in?
Yeah.
Hey, Tamar?
That was such a nice shot.
It's starting to rain, but we paid for 9. We're playing fucking 9. Rain, game. It's starting to rain.
That is golfing, dog.
Huh?
That is just golfing.
Here we go. It's gonna bounce off the hill. Oh no, keep going.
That one.
Yeah. Haciendo negocios. In business. Rico for bogey. I'm in this bitch for a little par real quick. Harsh.
Parshki.
Switch balls.
There's 4?
3, 4, 6.
6.
Okay.
I'm all full of money and still wanted to roll forever. Fucking stupid.
That fool had to go back and get it. Fucking Gavino, huh?
That's some shit he would do for sure, bro.
Aquí el este no me dice nada.
Pues no preguntas.
No mames.
No preguntas, babo.
See, see?
Shut up, dude.
That's what questions are for, to be asked.
Right,
Look it up.
true.
Hard as hell.
We still paid for a 9.
We paid for 9.
We're playing the 9.
5?
Jesus Christ, dude. Are you over the green or on the green?
I think I'm a little bit before.
Playable? I'll take it. I'll take it.
Hey, I didn't have a time. Roger Scapes.
Roger's landscape, huh?
I'm talking my backswing, dog.
Let's take a drop. It's raining hard, dog.
Cars it right here somehow?
Yeah.
It's raining
Is
hard.
your
But
rubber waterproof?
what?
Is it waterproof?
Yeah. But we paid for 9.
We're gonna play.
We're gonna play 9, nigga. Jesus Christ. Oh shit, yeah, it's raining hard, dog.
Picture which is way the fuck over there on the tree.
Fuck, get in each other before shit floods. It's really on this stuff. Yeah. Where am I? Am I over the green?
Probably. I'm over there. That was crazy.
No way I hit over the green.
No, huh? Okay. Nah, I didn't bring the little thing. These birds. These birds.
Where we at right now? So that's 14 plus another 4, that's 18, 22, 27. Roger's at what? 10, 12. That's 22. Yeah. And then Chimera's up 10, 18, 21. For a 9.
My clothes are wet now.
We paid for a 9.
What? We paid for a 9? We're playing fucking 9.
Está dejando de venir macizo la lluvia. Pero paga.
We paid for 9, we're playing 9.
Mira, now I'm activated. Mira, good.
Fucking drink the activation juice.
Oh shit, I forgot about my. Push me.
I got it. ¿En serio, dog?
¿En serio, dog?
Are you fucking in serio?
So tell me to push and then you do that? ¿En serio?
Are you fucking in serio, dog?
Push, yeah, please. Push me in my right back.
Push you.
Oh, hell no.
I'll push.
One-handed putt. Ah. Oh, one-handed too.
This is gonna be my 4th. Hopefully locked in right here.
Here, get me.
Time ticking bomb. Let's go. 4.
Yeah,
lucky. Love to see that. This one doesn't count, that red shit.
Serio, fool? And you're making fun of me, dog? Serio?
Hey.
And you're making fun of me, and
Yeah,
you're doing
I
that
didn't
with,
make it past the red, though.
you're doing that with the 3-wood though, fool.
I didn't
I'm
make
using
it
an
past
iron.
I didn't make it past
The red doesn't count for this one. The red's right there by the
And
lake.
you're using a 3-wood and a T, fool.
I still got my mulligan though.
You're using a 3-wood and a T. Remember that. Oh, this was going swimming too.
Look how much that shit shifted on me because of the rain.
Hey, record me. Watch me. I'm gonna show you guys what's up.
Go, Hodger.
Oh, we don't count the red this time. That's already a stroke.
I'm gonna take my mulligan.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my mulligan too.
Oh, hell yeah, Roger. Roger! He's pretty much in the drop zone for 3.
I'll need a mulligan.
He doesn't need one.
Hey!
Yeah, flop it again. Into the water, watch.
That'd be good.
Alright, these are all the tips I got from everybody yesterday.
Serio.
If you guys don't know, my brother works at Harry's. If you guys ever want to pay him a visit, feel free.
Watch out! Watch out!
4!
I said 4! Boom! I said watch out también! On the green?
That was a nice little fucking
Little chip.
What the hell, bro? I don't know what the fuck that was. Hey, if anybody got little windshield wipers for the glasses,
Dude, talk to us about
let me
it,
know,
please.
dog.
Don't know. He's not that good.
Roger jinxed it for you.
I always jinxing that, dude. Look at him. He's taking a 7 on this one, dude.
Yeah.
Remember, he's going for 4?
Yeah.
For the
I've been sinking now, so. I'm pretty much using junk goggles, bro. I got all kinds of water on my glasses and shit.
A ver, let me go for 4.
Chingue su madre la flag.
Pinche agua ni nada.
Oh, that. The karma's a bitch. Whoa, why are you laughing at me?
Fucking Robert.
Look,
See what I'm saying? Don't laugh next time.
Shut up, dog.
When I
You
miss,
said
don't laugh at me. Because you'll miss too.
so 557.
I know you've been tying me up on some, but you haven't beat me in a hole yet.
I think you're down by 3 on him. You're beating me by 2. Small one, but this is the big one now.
Oh shit! Take a drop for 3.
Roger!
Skip it, dog. I skipped it.
That was skipping through the water. What the fuck?
What up, dog?
That's bad. What the fuck?
I've sucked today, but I haven't lost any in the water. That's a win for me.
Oh my god. That was so close.
Almost got a little chip in for the Parshki.
No, it's 5. Oh, the wind up. Oh shit! Oh shit! We just right there.
I know you felt that.
That was crazy.
I see it. It's 4. It's right over that tree, I think, pa.
Oh yeah, Roger.
Where's that?
Roger got a good one.
Really?
I'm over by the green.
Damn. By the green ski? That whole fucking shit's wetter than fucking.
Dick.
On the left side though. You're on the right side.
Yeah, we tried. Shit, hold on. Oh shit!
Huh?
Tell him what. Okay.
Yeah. Here's Josie.
Stop, stop.
Turn the highlight, turn it to the left, Where's Roger?
I thought he got stuck in the mud right there.
Oh. Cuatro. Who's that? Okay, 5. God damn, bro. We finished off the round. We finished off the round a little bit.
Hey, we paid for 9. We played 9.
Yeah, I thought you got it bad.
Yeah, at the end of the day, you're the one you're the cleanest one. All right, gang. We just finished a 9. We'll see who wins right now. I don't know. See who won. Kind of shit the bed at the end. I think I lost.
Hey, your shirt was light brown, now it's dark brown.
For real, look at me. Just got a sick ass day at the gym. 4. Hey.
So we're doing 7 plus 7. That's terrible. Plus,
Yeah.
plus 4. Plus 4.
Messenger more.
Plus 4.
Repeat.
Plus 4. Oh, shit. How do I go back?
5.
So we have 4, 3, 4. Yeah, plus 5. Plus 4. Plus 4 equal
44. 5. Plus 5. Plus 4. Plus 3. Plus 4. Plus 4. Plus 5. Plus 7. Plus 7. 44, we tied.
You guys tired?
Yeah.
Then just $5 each.
Oh, sad. Sad day. Sad
Wait,
day.
do I have $5?
Sad
Break it
day.
up for Rod. Roger's gotta pay up, dude.
$5. Paid for 9 holes. You played 9 holes and you won $5.
Agarré la gripa, bad as fuck. Nah.
So what? Oh, wait, no, because I have
Give-
the 5.
Yeah, give him the 5.
You have 5?
From me, from 5 to 1.
Oh, and then give me the
Give you
5.
the 5.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Oh.
Quick little $5. Hey, Seth.
I lost what I bet.
Fuck, I wanted 30 though. I wanted 30.
But give her the key.
Yeah. Good game.
Good game, very good
We
game.
still didn't break 30 though. I'm retired.
44.
Well, look at my paint.
Hey, a 44 in the rain is not bad though. Hey, a 44 in the.
He just got me to my knee.
Fool, look at this.
I thought mine was bad because he got me to my knee, but Jose got it worse.
Ah,
No,
pero ahí
it looks like
quería
it literally
entrar
did
de
masa.
ayudante. I told him it was gonna go by itself. Me, I'm the cleanest one.
No, I think you be the.
Alright, say peace, Jose.
Peace, papas.
Say peace, Roger.
We'll run it up back again.
There, chat.
Later, chat. We are out. We'll be back with the next video, maybe next week. Hopefully it's not raining.
When it's hopefully dry.
When it's hopefully dry. But either way, Jose, if we pay for 9,
We play the 9.
we play the 9.
Always, right?
Later, guys.
Quítense que traigo lumbre, pues ya se me hizo costumbre el no retroceder. Hoy vengo más recio